Students, topic of today's video is mean median mode for standard 7 collection and organization of data from RS Agrawal book. So first you have to understand two basic things, that what is observation and what is frequency. See, each numerical figure means each number in your data is known as observation, and how many times that particular observation come, that is frequency. So before the chapter started from the topic mean, the question is there, prepare a frequency table, and it's very simple. All of you must know what is tally marks, so you can prepare a frequency table. The data showing the number of children in 20 families of a locality, and your data is given here. You have to prepare a frequency table. To prepare a frequency table, first thing that we have to arrange the data in the ascending order. Now see, in this given data 0 is come only one time, so 0. Now you say that your observation 1, how many times 1 is there? 1 2 3 4. So written down 1 1 1 1, 4 times 1. So like this you arrange all the data. Now your question is related to number of children, so make a table. The first thing, number of children. Okay, then the second thing is your tally marks, and then frequency. You can write frequency. Now number of children, only write that how many observations are there. We have 0 1 2 3 and 4. Only these numbers are present. So frequency of 0 means how many times 0 is there? Only one times. Frequency of 0 is 1. Frequency of 1 is 1 2 3 4. Frequency of 2 is, you count this, frequency of 2 is 7. Frequency of 3 6, and frequency of 4 2. Then tally marks 1 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and 1 2. Like this we prepare frequency table. Now we discuss about mean. Simply we can understand mean means average. So mean we can find in two forms, ungrouped data and tabulated data. If your question is mentioned in a table and data is mentioned in that table, then that we have to use tabulated data, and mean formula is summation means sigma of fi xi divided by sigma fi. This f is frequency of the numbers and x is your observation. Okay, and ungrouped data, a simple question is written over there, then mean is equal to sum of observation divided by number of observation. Let us understand with the help of example. The first case, ungrouped data. Questions are, find the mean of first 5 natural number and find the mean of first 5 prime number. So first we have to write solution of question number 1. First 5 natural number means the number is 1 2 3 4 5. These are the numbers. So formula of mean is equal to sum of observations 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 divided by number of observations. So how many numbers are there? 5, total 5. Now you add all the value, it will be 4 3 to 15 by 5, that is your 3. So the answer is 3. Now solution for the second question, find the mean of first 5 prime numbers. So you have to write the first 5 prime numbers, then your numbers are 2 3 5 7 11. Children, you're not supposed to write 1 here, okay, because 1 is not considered as a prime number. So 2 3 5 7 11 are equal to 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 11 divided by 1 2 3 4 5. Add all the values, it will be 28. So 28 by 5, 5.6 is the answer. Related to tabulated data, the following table shows the weight of 15 workers in a factory. Find the mean weight. And you see it is mentioned the weight in kg and number of workers. Mean 4 workers are there whose weight are 60 kg, 5 workers, those weights are 63 kg. So we have to make a table. In the first we write our x, that is your observation. So xi, all the observation you will write here. Frequency and then Fi into Xi. So weight in kg, this is your observation. Now serial wise you have to write 60, then 63, 66, 72 and 75. Completed the Xi part. Now the respective frequency. So 60, the frequency is 4, then 5, 3, 1, 2, and Fi into Xi means you have to multiply these two numbers and write down here. So 60 into 4, it will be 240, 63 into 5, 315, 66 into 3, 198, 72 into 1, 72, and 75 into 2, 150. Now the formula for mean is sigma Fi Xi divided by sigma Fi. So sigma means summation, sum of all observation. So add all these value, this will be your sigma Fi Xi. When you add all these value, the number will be 975. And again you have to add the frequency, that is sigma frequency Fi. It is already mentioned in the question also, 15 workers, so 15. Then use the formula mean is equal to, use 975 divided by 15, divided, it will be 65 kg. 65 kg. This is your answer, mean. Now in few questions the one or two terms are missing in the table. In that case mean is already given, then you have to find the missing terms. Question that the mean of the following frequency distribution table is 8, means mean is already mentioned, find the value of p. So one frequency is missing here, find the value of p. So you have to find the table first, that is your variable means your Xi, then your frequency, that is your Fi, and the part Fi into Xi. Okay, so do it, write down all the parts of the variable, that is 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. Then the respective frequencies 6, 8, 15, P, 8, 4. Fi into Xi, 6 into 3, 18, 40, 105, and this will be 9p, then 88 and 52. Then what is the next process? We have to add these values. Just add this sigma Fi Xi. So during addition you left this one, that 9p, and add all the numbers. Now when you add the numbers, your number will be 303, and then we write plus 9p. The same way we have to add this frequency also. Frequency will be 41 plus p. P is your variable part. Now we know the formula. The formula mean is equal to sigma Fi Xi divided by sigma Fi. So in the place of mean, we know the question, in the question it is mentioned the mean is 8. So 8 is equal to 303 plus 9p divided by 41 plus p. Now do the cross multiplication. It will be 303 plus 9p is equal to 328 plus 8p. Shift the p in the left side and the number in the right side. So p will be 25. This is your answer.